Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Global Maritime India Summit 2023. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways gears up for the most awaited maritime event of the nation, Global Maritime India Summit 2023. The third Global Maritime India Summit 2023 will be held from 17th to 19th October at MMRDA Grounds, BKC, Mumbai. Each session of GMIS 2023 has been designed to deliberate upon pressing global maritime issues. GMIS 2023 is aligned with Prime Minister's vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. It captures a wide range of opportunities for public-private partnerships, with investment opportunities of Rs 10 lakh crore already identified across the sector, with potential to generate more than 15 lakh job opportunities. A booklet on GMIS 2023 titled Navigating Excellence India's Maritime Sector was released on the occasion. GMIS 2023 is expected to draw participation from more than 70 countries. A host of senior ministers from the UAE, South Africa, Armenia, Italy, Sri Lanka, Turkmenistan, Belarus, Bangladesh, and Madagascar will be attending. The summit will host over 250 national and international speakers and CEOs, in addition to conducting more than 20 thematic sessions, including 7 international roundtables and more than 13 sectoral and state discussions.